Five Big Apple launches to watch out for in 2025. 2025 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting years for tech. Apple is raising the stakes with revolutionary devices that push boundaries, redefine innovation, and set new benchmarks. Ready to dive into the future? Let's explore the five biggest Apple launches coming your way this year. Apple's budget smartphone is stepping up its game. The iPhone SE 4 takes the spotlight with a larger 6.1-inch OLED display, delivering stunning visuals at an affordable price. Plus, it adopts the future-ready USB-C port and Face ID tech, bringing premium features to more users. The iPhone SE 4 is all about power without breaking the bank. With the groundbreaking A18 chip at its core, you can expect smoother performance, longer battery life, and access to Apple Intelligence. For budget-conscious users, this is your golden ticket to premium Apple features. Lightweight, powerful, and now, even smarter. The 2025 MacBook Air and iPad Air will upgrade to the M3 chip, promising faster, more efficient performance. Whether you're editing videos or multitasking at work, these devices are designed to elevate productivity effortlessly. The M3 chip also offers enhanced energy efficiency. That means you'll spend less time plugged in and more time enjoying portable power that lasts. Perfect for students, professionals, or anyone on the go, these devices bring next-level functionality to your daily grind. Bigger, faster, stronger. The iPhone 17 series is all set to redefine smartphone luxury. Packed with the advanced A19 chip, it promises incredible speed and processing power. Whether gaming or streaming, the iPhone 17 will raise the bar for mobile performance. But there's more. The new Air variant debuts with a sleek, lightweight design and exclusive features. Add groundbreaking camera improvements and a refreshed design, and you've got a device that seamlessly blends form and function like never before. Say hello to Apple's brightest star, the M5 chip. Dropping in both MacBooks and iPads, this powerhouse takes computing capabilities to unimaginable heights. From lightning-fast processing to unmatched multitasking, the M5 redefines what Apple devices can do. Perfect for creative professionals and tech enthusiasts, M5-powered devices are tailored for demanding workflows. Whether rendering 3D graphics or working on machine learning projects, Apple's M5 chip ensures that nothing slows you down. Apple Watches in 2025 will be more than a fashion statement. With a completely redesigned look, these wearables will sport advanced health sensors and smarter tracking capabilities. Your wrist just became a hub for wellness, style, and productivity. What's more, Apple integrates AI-powered fitness coaching into its watches to guide your health journey. From personalized workout plans to real-time metrics, this is tech that literally has its finger on your pulse. Apple's 2025 lineup is innovation at its peak, a perfect blend of power, design, and intelligence. Don't miss your chance to own next-gen devices that will transform your digital life. Stay ahead of the curve and experience tech like never before. Ready for the future? Hit subscribe, follow us on social media, and stay tuned for exclusive updates on Apple's groundbreaking launches. Let's tech it to the next level.